Now we're going to lead the lady into the dip. You're going to draw a shape of a 6 with the hand, same as we did before, transferring the body weight onto the right leg. Let go of the hand and place your arms around the lady's waist and back. Then transfer the body weight back onto the left leg and go into the pose. Now the lady's perspective, you're going to rotate same as before, counterclockwise. Start with the left leg, left, right, left. This time you want to end up in front of the partner, placing your hands on his shoulders. Transfer the body weight onto the right leg, rotate even more to end up with your right side to the partner. During the dip, bend the right knee, keep your left leg straight in front of yourself, keep your hips up, direct them to the ceiling and tilt backward with the upper body. Lead the left hand to the left, follow it with your gaze. Try not to pull the partner with you. Stay within your own balance as much as you can. Now back to the man's perspective. For you during the dip, it's most important not to follow the lady with your upper body, not to lean over her. You need to go into the squat on your left leg, keeping your back straight and extending your arms to lead the lady into the position. Rotate your body counterclockwise, keep your right leg to the side, straight, gently touching the ground. Let's do this one more time. Transfer the body weight at the same time with the last step. Then straighten the legs to get out of the pose. The man is rotating the pelvis counterclockwise even more to be able to take a step forward with the right leg behind the partner. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3,